I want to bring that up to a simmer. My sugar is going to combine very easily into that. It's nice and warm. And then I need about, let's see, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa. This is a hot, lovely drink. And by the way, if you make this and then you put it in the fridge, cool it down, it's a great cold drink or over ice. It would be nice too. It's really thick and rich. Stir the cocoa in here, and as it heats up, of course, it will melt down into the evaporated milk. Now, just about a teaspoon of nutmeg is going to go in here. Sprinkle it over the top. Lots of beautiful flavor. And then coffee liqueur, equal parts of coffee liqueur and coconut rum.